Wow, I'm not sure what this tree is, but it's absolutely beautiful out here in nature. See how pretty those are? And what is, we're just out here walking on the walking path. My son's trying to get one. And then I'll show you, okay, here it is. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, if we go right down here though, here's the kicker. I have to go hurry because we'll run out of time, but looky right there. I hope you see it. See it? It's pink. Same tree. Looks like the same exact type of tree, but it's pink. Do you see that? Pink. Beautiful.